Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webflow accessibility settings for inclusive UX detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Webflow account. Access the project you want to work on. Navigate to the designer view. Select the page you wish to enhance for accessibility. Begin with reviewing your text elements. Ensure all headings are properly structured. Use H1 for your main title, followed by H2 for section titles. Next, check the contrast of your text and background colors. Use a color contrast checker tool to ensure readability. If necessary, adjust the colors for better visibility. Now, focus on your images. Add descriptive alt text for each image. This ensures screen readers can convey the image's purpose. Move on to your forms. Label each form field clearly for user understanding. Use placeholder text judiciously, but avoid relying solely on it. Test the forms with keyboard navigation to ensure accessibility. Next, adjust your links. Make sure all links have descriptive text. Avoid generic terms like "click here." Review any dynamic content you have on the page. Make sure it is manageable for keyboard navigation. Check for any animations or transitions. Consider reducing or eliminating them for users sensitive to motion. Now, let's address video content. Include captions and transcripts for all videos. This serves users who are deaf or hard of hearing. Verify that navigational elements are intuitive and easy to find. Test the flow of your page using a screen reader. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.